So now, one thing you have to know about dodge and burn is for you to understand the natural image. If you are a learner, I can advise you to, when after you do your retouching, then you can turn off your retouching, then you come back, then you do your lighting, you do your dodge and burn. Follow the lighting of the image. You can see you can follow the lighting of the image to do your dodge and burn. If you are still learning and you want to master this dodge and burn, you can follow the lighting to do your dodge and burn. After doing your dodge and burn, then you can turn it on. You turn your retouching, everything on. Then you do your adjustment. If you think the dodge and burn is too much, then you reduce the dodge with your group. Now let's do this now. So our dodge and burn, we are going to start from here. Let me snap this particular ones, then keep it. Okay, this is my history. So I'm just going to picture this. Let me group them. Let me group them, then take a snap of it. So I have captured this now. You can see here, I captured it twice. So anything I want to do now, I can do it. Then this will still remain the same. So now the next thing we are going to do, what we are going to do now, is to do our dodge and burn. We are going to do our dodge and burn now. So I'm going to come here, then come to curves, then click on curves. Then I'm going to take my curves up, and this is okay. When you see that the highlight is getting too much, then you can click Ctrl-I to hide it. Then you name this one dodge, so that you won't confuse when you are doing your dodge and burn. You name this one dodge. After doing this, then you come again, then you come to your curve again, then you drag it down. You can see the shadow is showing properly now. Then you drag it down again, and this is okay. Then you click Ctrl-I to hide the layer. Then you name this one burn. Don't forget, always name your layer as a learner. Then you hide this one. Then the next thing you are going to do is to group these two. Then you name this one dodge and then burn. Dodge and burn. Dodge and burn. You name this one dodge and burn. So get it in your mind that yes, this is my dodge and burn. So now let's adjust the dodge and burn. Then now you come here, you pick your brush tool. Then you zoom your image out. Your adjustment here, you come here, you pick this brush, pick this hard round pressure size. Then now you come here, opacity, let your opacity be 100, your flow should be 100. Then now you draw your dodge on the highlight, the forehead, the cheekbones. So you draw your bond on the highlights. These are the cheekbones. These are the cheekbones. All these are the cheekbones and the shoulders. That is the place you need to highlight. Now let's do this. So I'm going to draw it like this. You see. So then I'm going to, if you think your hand is not straight, you can click it like this. You just make a point, then you hold down shift, then you click it like this. It's going to draw it. But at this point, this nose is not straight. So what we are going to do, because of the post is not straight, so what we are going to do, we are going to draw it with our hand like this. You see? And this is okay. So what we are going to do here, we are just going to draw it like this, then draw it like this. You see? Then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to draw this one like this. Yes, then draw this one like this. Then this one, we are going to draw it the same thing. And this is okay. Then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to draw this. We are going to draw this like this. Then come here, draw it like this. Then here, like this. And this is perfect. So you can still draw on the eye to make it white and glow. You can still draw on the white, and this is perfect. You see, this is perfect. So the next thing we are going to do is to draw our bone. So we are going to draw our bone like this, like this, like this, and like this. This place is already dark. You don't have to draw the bone on it again. You don't have to add bone to it. So you just have to do it like this to make this photo look real. This is what we are doing. That is what we are doing now. Then you drag this place like this, and this is perfect. Then you drag this place like this, and this is perfect. Then you drag this place like this, and this is perfect. Then you can still come to the nose. Then you do this like this to make it stand very well. Then now you come here, you drag it like this. This is perfect. You do this like this, and this is perfect. So what we are going to do now, we are going to click the middle of this to feather it. We are going to click the middle to feather it. Then you click it, then you feather it. You can see now, and this is it. After doing this, you come to your dodge, you do the same thing to your dodge, you feather it, and this is perfect. So now you see. So now let's see the before and after. So this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. You can see that our image is already giving different mood. You see different mood, and it's looking natural. You can see before, after, before, and after. So this is how you do your dodge and burn. If you think this dodge, the dodging is not well smooth to you, then you come here in your group. Then you come here. You double click on this place. You double click on it. You double click on it, and it's going to show another panel like this. It's going to show layer style panel like this. Then now you come here under layer, underlying layer. Then you drag this one. Now what we click is dodge. What we click on is burn. So you are going to drag the lights. We are going to drag the light from the burn. Then you see. Now you see we are removing the burn entirely. But what we are going to do, we are going to drag the burn backward again. Then what do you see? Now what we are going to do now, we want to smooth the burn. So we want to smooth the burn a little. So we are going to hold down our shift, hold down our alternative, then remove this separately to mate the burn. You see, to mate the burn. You can see now, and it's looking smooth already. Then you click OK. Then we do the same thing here. We do the same thing here. Then you click, double click on this. This is dodge. Double click. Then now you come here. This is dragging this to this side is the light. So you are removing the highlight. So what we are going to do, we are just going to drag the dodge like this a little. Then do the same thing by clicking alternative. Then we separate this. Then drag it like this. And this is cool. You can see now our image is looking natural now. What do you think now? And this is cool. Then you see the before now. Wait. You see before, you see after, and see the before. See after and see before. See after and see before. So if you think it's not still well smooth to you, then you can come here. Then you take the feathering down a little, and this is perfect. Then you see before and after. You see before and after. So this is how you dodge. You do your dodge and burn. This is how you do your dodge and burn. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are a photographer looking for an editor to help you handle your editing project, we are always available. All you have to do is to send us a DM. Let's collaborate. Yes, let's collaborate. So this is Nicelight Media. See you guys in our next session.